Hey guys, Thrifty Christian here. This video is about how to remove that yellowing on the midsoles of some shoes that you may have picked up like at the Goodwill bins or wherever at any outlet store. I encourage you guys not to pass these up because this is a real simple fix. I got to be honest, I was a non-believer. I was a skeptic at this when I first saw it, but now I'm truly a believer. So this side right here is yellowed, as you can see, and I just completed this side, and that's one application. So I'm going to show you real quick the rundown how to mix the ingredients and what you need. Okay, first some hydrogen peroxide, 3%. Throw it in the bowl like so. Some cornstarch, toss that in there, and you guys notice I'm not really trying to be accurate with this because there was no one that really gave me any accurate measurements, so I'm just going to kind of wing it as I go. So as soon as you drop the cornstarch in there, it starts to get stiff, and then it starts to loosen up as you work it around. Now I'm only doing this just to show you guys because over here is where I made my first batch. So I'm just going to do a second batch right here real quick. Alright, so from here we're just going to throw it in the microwave for about less than 30 seconds depending on the quantity, the volume that you have here, okay? Okay, so as soon as you put it in the microwave, it immediately starts to get thick. It starts to get like solidified. So you just stir it up some more. And I think it's just really the heat that does this. It starts to get gummy. You can see where it's kind of gummy there. So at that point, once it gets to about here, throw in the oxyclean. Now they say that you should use a certain oxyclean, the one with the yellow cap. But I'm not buying it. It didn't really make a difference. So basically, yeah, just stir this up, get it good and pasty, and then you're gonna go pretty much right to the midsole, like that. Just get it on there. Nothing special about this. I really thought there was going to be something a little more elaborate to it and how to mix it up. But it starts to foam up too when it's in the sun. It'll start to foam up and it'll, I guess like I said, it's just the heat that causes it to start the reaction. I'm not even sure if the oxyclean is really even a major part of it. Anyway, put that on there, okay, and then I didn't have cling wrap, so I just took a bread bag and split it, and then I just put it on like that, and pretty much just took it and put it out in the sun. And it didn't really, like I said, it's not anything too technical. Just take it out here, smash this down. When it starts to bubble up, just come back out and press it down again. This is one that I did earlier. It's looking good too. So I'm just let them sit in the sun for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes or so, and just come out here and continually check on them and make sure that they're not drying out. Because pretty much that's what the plastic's for, just to keep it from drying out. So, but anyway, set them out in the sun. You can set them out on the patio there or wherever, just to get sunlight to them. Because sunlight, I guess, is the main thing that causes the reaction. So, guys, it really works, man. I'll show you some results here in a minute. So, guys, here's the finished product. It looks really good considering that I just kind of slapped that stuff together, and just kind of threw it on there. That's only one application. Only one application, and it brought these things back to life. I don't know how well it's showing up in the camera, but overall, man, it's night and day. So, anyways, you see any of these Air Force Ones, pick them up, and especially if they're cheap, like $5 or something like that. I just sold these for 30, so I'll profit 20 bucks after everything. I sold them on Poshmark, by the way, which is a good thing. So, guys, I hope you liked the video. Any questions, please hit me up. I'll be happy to answer them. God bless. Bye.